my name is Vartik Dara. I'm a founder of One Eight Commune, and as you know, that now we are in Hyderabad, and you've seen the interiors. It's earthy, it's boho. I think you are liking it. Are you liking it?
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. And I think wherever we go, our usual menu remains the same. It's like 80% we have the same menu, 20% we go region to region, and we add local flavors. As we added soya halim here and Hyderabadi biryani in a bamboo way to give that offering to Hyderabad and Hyderabadi. You know, we when we are in Hyderabad, we like to have spice, right? Spicy food. It is also there, and we have Virat special menu as well, uh, which includes mushroom googly dim sum, super fruit salad, and avocado tartar. That's what he likes. Like he's a vegetarian, so he likes that. And we have in-house cocktails as well. Paloma cocktail is there, which is gin based, and we have this bourbon popcorn cocktail as well. And our offering is very approachable and to everyone because Virat's fan base, Virat's following is from a kid to youngsters to mature to elders, all kind of we cater all age groups, all people. Yeah.
Yeah. And tell us what is the difference between other outlets and One Eight? What is the difference?
Yeah, yeah.
of the concept?
As I told you, his Virat's fan following is massive, and all age group, all community, they relate to Virat Kohli. He's a global star, right? Not only for India but all over the world. People show their love for him. So our menu is that we have global cuisine. We have Italian to Pan Asian to Indian. I mean, all kind of offering we have. So we cater to a lot of aspirational mass stuff, and that's why we are
What
a
is the
little different.
capability of this outlet? How many people can
Like
participate?
it is 190 covers,
Okay.
and we have different sections here for dining. As you have saw, like you have seen the outlet. We have high energy zone to normal sitting dining place. We have outdoor as well. So 190 seater here, and to max capacity is 250. That's what we can go.
Coming to the food, how much you are maintaining the quality?
Quality, as you know, Virat, how competitive he is, and he's actively involved in the process. And he's a vegetarian, so he tries most of the vegetarian dishes with us, and he gives us the genuine feedback. And until and unless it's not up to the mark or standard, he doesn't give us heads up.
Till now, how many outlets are here?
In 5 different cities, we have already 8 outlets. This is the ninth one, and I think Hyderabad would show us the same love that we are getting throughout the country. I hope that
So, in future, if you are planning any another place in the Hyderabad?
for sure. I think I've already seen a spot in Financial District,
Okay.
and I've seen one in Jubilee Hills as well. But it's, I think, closer to this spot, so I'm more keen to opening in Financial District.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.